Hello everyone, welcome back to Maltida Crochet. Today I'm going to share with you how to crochet this beautiful granny square headband. I'm using a 4.5mm crochet hook scissors, and these are the yarns and the colors I'm going to use for the granny square headband. So to start the granny square, I'm going to start with a magic circle, and we are going to need a total of 7 granny squares for this headband. I'm going to start with a magic circle and I'm going to do a chain 3. The chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. Now I'm going to work 2 double crochets with the chain 3. Then we have 3 double crochets. So that's the second one, and then that is the other. So we have the first cluster of the 3 double crochet. So that's the first cluster. Now I chain 2. After the 3 double crochet, chain 2. Now I'm going to do another 3 double crochet and chain 2. So that's the first one. This is the second one. We are going to just do a total of 4 clusters of 3 double crochets. So it's going to be 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet 4 times. So we have a chain 2. Now we are going to have a total of 12 double crochet. I'm going to meet you at the end of this round. So we're having 4 clusters of 3 double crochets. I'm sorry, I went ahead and do the slip stitch without showing you how to end this round. Just do the slip stitch to the first chain 3, and that's it. So I just cut off this yarn and I put the magic ring tight at the back, and that's it. Now for the second round, I'm using this green color for the second round. Now I'm going to put like a slip stitch on that, and I'm going to start. You can start from any corner. I'm just going to start from there, that chain 2 corner, and I'm going to do a single crochet to just secure it, and I'm going to do chain 2 on top of the single crochet, and that will count as my first double crochet. Now back into that chain 2 space from the previous row, I'm going to work 2 more double crochets. Now I have 3 double crochets, and I'm going to do chain 2, then back into the same space, work another 3 double crochet. So I'm just going to do this for the second round. We're just going to work only in the corners only, and that's the chain 2 space from the previous row. And now I'm going to move on to the next space, the next chain 2 space, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet into the same space. So just going to do this for the 4 corners. I'm going to meet you at the end of this round. So now I've done the last thing there. I did my slip stitch into the first chain 3 and cut off the yarn, and that is it. We're just going to do 2 rows for this granny squares. So I have 7 granny squares already. I'm going to show you how to attach these granny squares together. I'm going to attach these granny squares in a very long strip. So I'm going to show you how to do 2 granny squares together. facing the right side together, facing the right side, making sure the right side face each other. So I'm going to start there at the corner, and I'm going to grab my yarn with a slip stitch on. I'm going to pull that through the space and do a chain 1 to secure. And now I'm going to go under, I'm going to go back and into every stitch under both loops from that side, and I'm going to pick the on the other side I'm going to pick both loops as well, and I'm going to do a slip stitch. So I'm just going to slip stitch across. So I'm going to go from the side and slip stitch into the next one, the other granny square, both loops, going under both loops, doing a slip stitch. So I'm just going to repeat this till I finish. So this is how I'm going to just join. This is how we are going to join the granny squares together, and we are joining them in a long strip. I'm going to show you once I'm done with the joining. I'm done with joining the granny squares together. I'm just going to chain 1 and cut off the yarn, and now I'm going to show you how it looks now from this side. This is how it's going to look joining these two together. So we have 5 more to join to this. Now I have joined all the 7 granny squares together in this long strip. Now I'm going to grab another yarn, another color. You can use whatever color you prefer. You can continue with the same color if you want to. I'm just grabbing this green yarn just to finish across, just to work on the top, on the side of this granny square. So I'm going to start at the corner there, the chain 2 corner, and I'm doing a chain 1 to secure my yarn. So I'm going back into that space and doing 3 single crochet into the chain 2 space from the previous row, because that is where we started from. So into every chain 2 space, as we continue, we are going to do 3 single crochets. So I have 3 single crochets there. Now I'm going to, this is my last single crochet, and now I'm going to work 1 single crochet into every stitch. Now I have yarns from the previous row. I'm just going to carry that along as I work my single crochet, so I don't need to weave in a lot of yarn. So go into every stitch and work 1 single crochet. When you get to the corner or to the chain 2 space, you're just going to do 3 single crochet. I'm going to continue with a single crochet stitch across the border of the granny square. I'm going to do this across, around it, and just 1 single crochet. I'm going to meet you at the end of this round. When I'm done, I'm going to meet you. Do not forget to put 3 single crochet into the chain 2 space, as I'm doing here, like I'm doing right now. This is the chain 2 space, and I'm putting 3 single crochet there. I'm going to meet you at the end of the round. Now I'm at the end of this. I'm going to do my slip stitch here. I'm going to find the first stitch that I started with. I'm going to go in there and do a slip stitch. For the next step, I'm going to going to the next step, and the next step will be the strap for the headband. Now I'm going to do chain 3, and I'm going to turn my work around, and I'm going to do 8 double crochet. The chain 3 does not count as one of the double crochet. I'm going to do chain 3 and 8 double crochets into the next 8 stitches. So you go under both loops, you find the stitch, the single crochet stitch, and do 1 double crochet into every stitch until we have 8 double crochets. I have 8 double crochet, and I'm going to chain 3 now. And for the next round, we are going to be doing 2 complete double crochet together. For you to do 2 complete double crochet together is really easy, and I'm going to explain now. Now you're going to yarn over, go into the first stitch like you're doing a double crochet. Now you're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch, then you pull through 2. You have 3 loops on your hook and you pull through the 3. Now again, you yarn over, go into the next stitch. You're going to have 2. You're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch without completing the first one. Now you're going to yarn over 2. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn through the 2 again. So now for the last stitch, we'll go into the last stitch and do 1 double crochet. Don't forget to pick the last stitch. Now I'm going to just repeat this again, chain 3 and turn my work around. I'm going to show you again we're going to repeat the 2 complete double crochet together into the first stitch like a double crochet. You yarn over 2, yarn over, go into the next stitch, you yarn over 2. You have 3 loops on your hook and you yarn through the 3. Now you're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch. You're going to yarn over 2, yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over 2. You have 3. Now you're going to yarn over the 3. So we're just going to keep repeating this 2 complete double crochet together. And now in this round, we are not going to do 1 double crochet because our stitch is less. Now as you continue to do this 2 complete double crochet together, you notice that this stitch, it goes a little bit narrow. What I mean to say is you get less stitches as you continue to work the 2 complete double crochet together. So you notice that the strap gets narrow, and we're just going to repeat that until we have one double crochet left to work. So now I have gotten to this point where I just have no stitch again to work with. So I'm just going to do chain 15. I did chain 15 because I'm using an acrylic yarn, so this stretch. So if you're using a cotton yarn, you have to do more chains, like chain 30. Now for what we did on the side, we're going to repeat it here, and we are going to end this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you.